Hello, this is the video for the Combustion Reactions Lab. That sheet is right here. I'm going to walk you through the flames that you would do on this lab, and you can take your observations straight from this video. So here are the chemicals that you are going to be burning. We have 6, so I'm going to go A, B, C, D, E, F. And then you write down observations right here all about those flames. Try to be as detailed as you can. Is it a tall flame? Is it short? What color is it? Do you see it flickering or is it smooth? Does it last a long time or does it go out real quickly? Anything you can think of to write down for those observations. The rest of the lab after that point is just on paper. So pause the video as needed, and I'm going to go down to the counter because that's where our fires are. First one I'm doing right now is ethanol. This is letter A. That was 10 drops. And here comes that fire. And that's it. You can see it lives behind a little bit of residue here. It's evaporating right now, but there's some kind of liquid left over there. That's kind of neat. Let's move on to the next one. Letter B is methanol. This is one of the more dangerous ones. In Minnesota about 5 years ago, there was a bad accident that happened involving this chemical. In a small fire like this, it's no big deal. You can see it burns really clean though. There's no orange. Pure blue flame, and that one's done. Third one on our list, you can pause the video and write down your observations, but number 3 is isopropanol. This is rubbing alcohol. A lot of people have this in their bathroom cabinet. Now the stuff that you have at home is probably 50 or 70% rubbing alcohol. The stuff that I'm using here is 100% rubbing alcohol. So if you try to light a fire out of this at home, I don't know if it'll work as well. It might. Just about started myself on fire there. Quite a lot different than methanol. Letter D is called acetone. Acetone. This is the main ingredient in nail polish remover. That was that. I don't recommend burning nail polish remover, by the way. It's really going to stink if you do that. This is letter E, sucrose. Sucrose is sugar. Sugar does some cool stuff when you let it burn. So first I'm going to get the match burning pretty nice. I'm going to capture some of this sucrose on the match, and now watch what happens. It's almost like you get a little sparkler. I'll do that one more time. If you listen really carefully to this, you might be able to hear it happening as well. Pretty neat. That was letter E, sucrose. Next up is letter F, cellulose. Cellulose is a sugar that's found in wood. So for this one, I'm just going to let this matchstick burn. That's it for part one. Get all your observations written down and finish up the rest of the lab on your own.